to my channel, Just Rhea. If you don't know who I am Rhea. Today's gonna be a get ready with me. If you've seen my previous video yesterday, you would know that I tried Hubble. That was on the 1st. I've had these contacts in for 2 days because I am just so used to changing them out monthly. So I need to take these out and just throw them away and reapply some new ones. Okay. I cannot see anything right now, so I'm just gonna reapply 2 more dailies, 1 for each eye. And then I'm just gonna get started. But I need to see first, right? So my eyebrows, I did not realize how much my eyebrows had grown back so quickly. So I need to shake these up just a little bit. Have y'all seen that brow stamp thing? I want to try that. Comment below if you have already tried the brow stamp. And if you have, let me know how you like it. Because I'm really thinking about getting it. It looks so simple and easy. But of course, you know, anything can look simple and easy until you actually get it in hand. I don't want to do too much because I'm actually going to go get them waxed in a couple of weeks. So I'm not going to do too much. They just look raggedy, so just trying to shape them up just a little bit. I should have just left them alone, honestly. But too late, a little too late for that. They'll be grown back in a couple of weeks though, so I ain't worried. And this is, I want to say it's Cabral. I think this is Cabral. Okay, so I'm actually going to prime today with Tasha. I've had this for a few years now, and this is where I'm at with it. Okay. I'm probably gonna use, I don't want to look too cakey, so I'm probably gonna just go in with Pretty Fresh. Yeah. This is Pretty Fresh, and I have Deep Dark 21W. We're gonna see how one pump goes. I'm going to just apply a little setting spray just to let it move a little more. I think this is my summer shade. I should have used, I'm gonna, well, I don't know. I don't think I need much though. What do y'all think? Another layer, or am I good? I think I may be good. I think I'm gonna use Age Rewind just right there. And then I'm gonna go under because I think the Age Rewind is just a little bit darker. No, lighter, I mean, yeah. So you gotta give it a gradient effect. Gonna highlight here. Just a little there and just a little there. Like, not a lot at all. I'm gonna just have to go in with a brush. Don't take it over a lot because I don't want it, my face is already wide. I don't want to make it wider. So I just kind of stay right where the corner of the eye is. I don't even bring it down because I don't want it elongates your face. A lot of people don't know that concealer, it widens and elongates. Contour kind of sculpts it. So just for people who don't know, which I'm pretty sure all of y'all do, because most of us is, you know, makeup junkies. No offense, because I'm a makeup junkie too, so, you know, y'all shouldn't take offense to that, I hope. I should have used Natasha Denona, but it's all right. We can fix it. So what you're gonna do is take the brush without applying. I messed up here and here. Look at that. What you're gonna do is take your foundation brush without applying any more and just wipe it away. Wipe it away. There you go. Done. There. Okay, so ooh, look at that harsh line. Did I not even blend this out? Now I have to fix this contour like a lot. I'm gonna bring it under. Just to blend it in, because I made it too, that brush was too big. That was the problem. Okay, I'm gonna take my contour stick and go along the bridge of my nose. If I can, I'm just going with my finger, because to me, I feel like that works better. I'm not digging in my nose, guys. I'm applying contour. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, let's get into makeup. So I think I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackiana. I think. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But first I'm going to put on some what is this called? Base, eyeshadow base. Y'all, my memory is like good for nothing right now. I just want to go in with a brown and gold. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start off deep with the dark color and just kind of take it up. Maybe I should zoom you guys in for this. There we go. So I went in with Credit. You guys are familiar with this palette. I went in with Credit and I'm going with Edges. Okay, so we're done with that. Now I am going to put some eyeliner on, mascara, and then that's it, y'all. I'm not doing lashes. Everybody's Cosmetics. I think this is Chestnut. Pixie, if you end up in my video, I'm gonna be so upset. Just to blend it more. And we done, y'all. Okay. Y'all, I'm not good with unwrapping my hair. I'm doing this probably all the wrong ways. But we're gonna make it work, I promise. I wake up in the morning and tell myself, good morning, gorgeous. Hey. Good morning, gorgeous. Hey. this is the look. Let me know what you think. Hey, and thank you guys for tuning in for my Get Ready With Me. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.